In this scenario, we'll demonstrate how to consolidate companies inside of Business Central. We'll begin by creating business units and mapping that consolidation. And then we'll test the consolidation, run it, and review the consolidated trial balance. Now, at the time of this, there has been significant improvements by leveraging inside of Business Central by leveraging the assisted setup to help address or streamline that first step in the process. So let's go ahead and create the business units and map that consolidation. You can consolidate across companies that have different chart of accounts, companies that use different fiscal years and different currencies. Either the full amount or a percentage of the company's financial information, or you can even use different currency exchange rates in the individual GL accounts. In our scenario, which is going to be very simple and easy, we share a chart of accounts, and as I mentioned, we'll go ahead and leverage the assisted setup window. Now here, again, I have a number of different ways in which to automate or simplify using a wizard-based menu. Under the report on financial health, there is an option to process consolidations. Notice it's not been completed yet. I'll select on it, and I'm going to let the wizard just guide me through the process. I'll select next, and I want to use an existing company. I'm going to select which company we'll use as the consolidated. And again, all of that would be available through your drop-down. Now again, depending on how many companies you have associated inside of Business Central, in this case here, I've just selected these two. I'll select next. Again, you can include more in the check mark. So in this case here, now that I've selected the companies, it's going to create the business unit for us. So just think of business units as just unique companies inside of Business Central. As I mentioned, again, you can get more complex based on the currency and exchange rates. I'll select next. And then again, I'll select next. And now I'm business unit 2. Same thing, same option menus. Again, you could do percentage of ownership, et cetera, as you scroll down on this window. And then once you're done, you'll select finish. Now before running the consolidations, I want to preview the result prior to actually running the entire process. So I can filter on individual business units here in this drop-down menu. Again, I only have 2, so I won't worry about that. And then I'll select on preview. And so here you can see there are no error messages, looks good. I can go ahead and now run that consolidation. Also notice that the wizard, in addition to helping me create that process, shows it as completed. Now let's run the consolidation and review the trial balance. So I'll hit search and I'll select business units from the search option. And again, you can see the percentage of consolidation here. Under functions, I can go ahead and run that consolidation. Again, same thing, I could filter on the business unit. In this case here, I'll just select OK. And then I want to run the consolidation for this particular period, for those defined periods. And then again, same thing, I'll go ahead and preview it. And now you can see the consolidated trial balance report combines GL ledger, GL entries from each of the companies into the new company that you create to contain the consolidated data. And you can scroll through the pages and then close that out. So in this scenario, again, was designated or designed to just show you how we can manage consolidations inside of Business Central. We created the business units and mapped that consolidation using the wizard. We tested it, ran the consolidation, and then saw the impact on the consolidated trial balance. See the benefits to be able to get easily started quickly, running quickly, and then also being able to manage multiple companies.